Our language system programs are a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for its participants. We cooperate with different entities to make this possible, including several universities abroad. We also cooperate with 2 universities in Spain we are very proud of, which are the Universidad Internacional de Cataluña in Barcelona and the Universidad Francisco de Vitoria in Madrid. These universities deliver TEFL training to participants as part of their internship. And of course, nothing of this would be possible without the cooperation of around 200 schools in Spain every year, which is great, but at the same time is a huge responsibility.
So what we do during this day is we deliver different sessions on different topics that we think are very, very useful regarding cultural adaptation. For example, in the end, they're coming from different cultures and they're going to find new things here. How to deal with the Spanish administration to process certain documents which are very important for them, to find an apartment, to settle down in the end of their experience. Also, they will receive some tips and tricks and resources from certain workshops. We divide them in 3 different groups depending on age ranges. So professional teachers are going to deliver some sessions where they will be explaining them what to do, how to deal with their students, how to react depending on the age range, and they will give them, for example, a list of activities that they can find useful to have backup plans in their daily life. We will also explain how a Spanish school works, and the most important thing, we will get to know them in person. We will get to see how this network of language assistants is built, and they will be able to meet each other after months of emailing and collaborating through social media.
So I'm a secondary teacher out in Canada, but I'm going to be teaching the infantile a little bit this year as well, and I have 0 experience doing that. So I had a wonderful workshop this morning where I learned a ton and got a lot of different tips and tricks for teaching infantile. And there were a lot of things that I kind of knew already, but just it kind of solidified some things for me about how it might work and what I might be able to do to be able to teach these children a language that they don't currently speak.
It's been engaging, it's been fun, I've learned a lot, and we just got a really good lunch.
It is very special to hold this induction meeting in person, even more after 2 years of pandemic. This is a great opportunity for language assistants to participate in workshops, to prepare themselves for a different educational system and a different culture, to learn from experienced teachers, and of course also to meet each other, to share their expectations, and also to start creating a network in Spain.